are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kitty and I open subscription boxes every single day here on our channel. I would love it if you joined us and subscribed. We actually have a 9,000 subscriber giveaway going on. I will link that at the end of the video if you guys want to check that out and enter after watching this. Today's video is extra exciting because it is a new box and a new beauty box, and not only a beauty box, it is a vegan and cruelty-free beauty box. So we are opening up today the Vegancuts beauty box. This just arrived today at my doorstep and look how freaking cute the box is. I was not expecting this. I am so excited. So since this is my first time opening it and also showing it on our channel, I'm going to pull up the website so we can just get a little bit more information about it. So Vegancuts beauty box is available on Cratejoy and it is $22.95 per month, and there looks like there is a promotion going on. It says it's one of the highest rated and most loved boxes on Cratejoy. We're celebrating using code NEWCV for 10% off. I'm gonna leave the link for this down below along with that promo code if you're interested in subscribing. It looks like you can get the box I'm opening today, the May beauty box, up until the end of the month. And it says discover luxurious and unique beauty products from the longest standing vegan subscription company. So you're supposed to get at least $50 or more of luxurious cruelty-free beauty in each box, and it does ship worldwide from the United States, so that's great. So you get at least 4 deluxe and full-size items, again over $50 in value. It says each product is thoroughly vetted to be 100% vegan and cruelty-free, and every product is paraben-free and contains only non-toxic ingredients, and there's free shipping in the United States. So I think that's enough information. Let's get this cute box open and see what's inside. By the way, if it looks different, like my filming setup or the lighting, I'm filming way later than usual. I'm going to have a margarita with a friend in a little bit, and I was like, you know what? Did my makeup, got in a cute dress. Look at my cute lemon dress. I just love it so much. I just got it in my Stitch Fix I just peeked into, but anyways, sorry. My mind's just all over the place now. So this is what the box looks like when you open it. So there's a card right on top, and ooh, look at it. Looks like we've got like 6 items in here. Oh, it says on here, well, that's the card I'm reading from. Vegancuts. This box supports Destiny and Friends at the Gentle Barn in Santa Clarita, California. I almost said Florida. I don't know why. Probably because that's where I live. Oh, so that's Destiny. I love that they give back and help animals in need. If you guys don't know, I'm vegetarian. I also am cruelty-free as well. So this box especially appeals to me. It looks like the beauty box theme this month is Relax and Revive. So I like how they give a little handout here. It talks about each item and gives some pricing. I'm just gonna start with the biggest box I see here. It's kind of reflecting. So this is by Andalou Naturals. Oh, I feel like I've gotten something from this brand before. It says new look, so they must have changed their packaging. But it's their 1000 Roses Eye Revive Contour Gel. This is made with rose stem cells and soothing resilience and fruit stem cell science. And it says sensitive, so this must be good for sensitive skin, and you get 18 milliliters in here. It says petal soft to protect the delicate eye area. The soothing contour gel with alpine rose stem gently hydrates as pomegranate rich in tannins and polyphenols. It uplifts tone while hyaluronic acid and aloe vera instantly revive to visibly reduce fine lines, puffiness, and under eye circles. Skin's truest self is fully realized with a portfolio of nature's most potent bioactives and the innovation that captures it all, fruit stem cell science. And to use this, you can use it both morning and night, and you just apply it to clean skin. Gently squeeze the tube to dispense the gel, glide from under eye toward outer corner and across the brow bone, and this is dermatologist tested. So this is pretty large for an eye cream. Just looking over the ingredient list quick. The ingredient list looks great too. I'm so excited to try this out. So this is what the applicator looks like. So you can just apply this directly onto your eyes if you want. Some came out, so usually what I do with your index or with your ring finger. Okay, in a video in the past I accidentally said ring finger. Or actually I said index finger when I meant you should use your ring finger to pat in eye products because it has the least amount of muscle, so you're less likely to like pull or tug at your delicate eye area. I'm rubbing this on my hand now. It's just a clear gel. It doesn't seem to have fragrance, and there's no added fragrance in this, I checked. So awesome, let's see how much this costs. So this is $19.99. And it says it could help with fine lines, puffiness, and under eye circles. Great. Next up, this looks cool. Let's get out of the bag. What is this? This is by Flora and Fauna, and this is Cuticle Hero Longer and Stronger Nails. It's like a little syringe. This is cool. So you apply it to your nails. So hopefully you guys can see the label. Someone said I don't hold things up long enough for it to focus, and I apologize. I am going to work on that. I don't know if I held the last product up long enough, so let me just show you that really quick. So it says on here, natural and nourishing oils protect the skin, improve nail growth, and most importantly, keep your manicure on fleek. The twist and click brush pen makes application easy at home or on the go. And this is made with some good oils like avocado oil, wheat germ oil, vitamin E oil, lemon essential oil, and lavender essential oil. So there's a little brush tip here, and then you just, and then it comes out. My nails are done. Oh, I just chipped one. I just got my nails done, which was amazing, by the way, being able to actually have a professional nail technician do my nails. But this is cool. I'll definitely use this to help out my cuticles that have been suffering the past few months. So this Cuticle Hero is $13. Next up, we have something by 103 Collection. This is their Antioxidant Facial Toner. This is what it looks like. So it's balancing pH and contains provitamin 5. It's vegan. Well, everything's vegan in this box. Moisturizing, conditioning, and soothing. You get 1 ounce in here. It says after cleansing with the blueberry cranberry facial scrub, that must be something in their line they recommend using with this. Apply a moderate amount of facial toner gently all over the face in an upward motion. Allow to dry and follow with serum. It's made with organic aloe leaf juice, which is soothing to the skin, can also possibly help with some redness if you experience that. Glycerin, which is very hydrating. Vitamin B5, B3, and vitamin B3 is niacinamide, which is a product I absolutely love, and I'm so excited it's in here. It also has provitamin A or beta carotene, vitamin C, organic white willow bark extract, tea tree leaf oil. Wow, this is great. I'm excited to try this out. So this toner is $5, and it says provides hydration while maintaining elasticity, smoothness, and moisture. Let's see what the spray is like. That's a nice mist. I can't really smell much, but that's good because there's no added fragrance anyways. I mean, like maybe it would smell a little bit like tea tree, which is low on the list here. Next we have something by Scents, and it's their body lotion. Very pretty packaging. It says on the back, apply, massage, relax. 1.5 fluid ounces of playful but refined Minnesota tamarick larch tree extract. Ooh, that sounds fancy. I don't know what that is. It's artfully created without parabens, sulfates, phthalates, or synthetic fragrance. And this is by William Rome. So, it comes like this. It doesn't have too much of a fragrance. I'm just putting my finger in to get a little bit out. So let's put some on. I love moisturizing. I do it all the time right after I get out of the shower, but I moisturize my hands all the time, especially after hand washing. So this is $4.95. It says exceptional moisturization with a velvety finish. William Rome is partnered with American Forest and plants a tree with every purchase. I love that. We have 2 things left. Ooh, it looks like this is a little perfume. It says Glow for a Cause perfume. Am I holding that upside down? No, you should be able to see it. So this is a solid perfume. So this is what it actually looks like. And on here it says this is $18. You get 0.4 ounces. It's easy to apply. You swirl a small amount on your finger and then rub into desired scent location. Light florals and musk, white tea and bergamot make this subtle, easy to wear fragrance. I don't think I put on a perfume yet. If I did, I don't care. Oh yeah, once you put your finger on it, the oil, like your hand, like heat, like melts the oil on here. Yeah, it's a very light, soft fragrance, so I think this would be great for those even that are sensitive to smells. Like I know some people have a hard time wearing perfume because it can give them a headache. This is definitely, I mean, in my experience, not strong enough to evoke a headache or anything like that. It smells good, yeah. It seems like it's almost like a balm. Like I'm so used to perfumes being like overly fragrance, but it seems like this probably has good ingredients and like more oil-based instead of synthetic fragrances. So cool, I'm excited to use this more. We have one more item, and this says Rosy on it. What is Rosy? Our apricot oil delivers a rich source of essential nutrients to your skin, including vitamins A, C, E, and omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids. The result is radiant, hydrated, and healthy complexion. So massage a few drops onto damp, clean skin, AM and PM, perfect for all skin types. And the only ingredient is 100% organic sweet apricot oil, and the origin is Pakistan. This is $5. Cold pressed Kubani, which is organic sweet apricot oils, is rich in essential fatty acids and anti-aging vitamins. You can use it as a daily moisturizer or even in the hair. So this is what it looks like. Is there like a little dropper? Oh yeah, there's a dropper right there. It doesn't really smell like much. Cool, I have to look into this more. I've never used apricot oil, but that's cool. You can use it on your hair. My hair is getting really long and the ends are kind of just like not as healthy. Oh, cute lemon dress, I love it. So that is everything. Let me add up the total really quick. So the total is $60.94, which is above that $50 they guarantee. And again, this box is $22.95 with free shipping, and there is that code to save you 10%, which I will leave down below. And if you guys are interested in this box, you have until the end of the month to order it. But I think this is so fun. I think this is great for someone who wants to build up their skincare routine while avoiding harsh things like fragrances in their products, as well as avoiding animal testing, because everything is cruelty-free and vegan. So it's good for you and good for our little furry friends. I'm trying to think, what am I the most excited about? I like everything. I really think this cuticle oil is so cute and could totally use it. Toner, the body lotion, everything is so nice, and this really will help you like relax. And you know, I think a big part of self-care is relaxing and taking care of your skin. I've been spending a lot more time with my skincare routine over the past few months as a way of self-care, and I really have seen the benefit of it, and I can't wait to incorporate these products into my current routine. So yeah, I love this box. I would love to know your opinion below. What did you think of this box? And also, do you get this? I've never seen anyone open this box, so I'm so curious to see what other boxes are like from them. And I would love to hear if you guys would like this continued on our channel. Anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I love you so much. I hope you're safe and healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.